What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to share an update that I had done to my Tacoma recently. For my birthday present to myself, I bought the Viper remote start system, and Best Buy installed it for free. And then I went ahead and upgraded to, instead of the one button, one-way battery or one-way remote, this is 4-button, and it's also 2-way. So for instance, when I hit any button on here, it'll reply back to me with the beep to let me know that whatever it was that I pushed was done. So you can hear one beep back for lock because it just locks one time. On the unlock, it's a double because it unlocks the front door and the back doors at the same time. And then for the start, so now it's run through its own series. You can see all that feedback. And now I've got the key out. If I press the brake right now, the truck's actually gonna die. But if I put the key in first, like this, and then turn the key forward twice, not to start, but to on, then I can put my foot on the brake and I can take it out of gear and the truck doesn't actually shut down. I can also start this outside the truck. I can start this outside of my Tacoma, and then when I walk up to the doors, I can just hit the unlock button and unlock it, and it won't shut the truck off. And then as long as I put that key in first and turn the key forward before I press the brake to take it out of gear, it won't shut off. I know a lot of people have made complaints online about that. Now I can just take the key out, or I can also shut it off with the button itself on the remote. Let's see, it might not, oh, because I had the key for it, it wouldn't let me do that, so it wouldn't let me show it anyway. But if you start it and then it's running for a while and you decide you're going to take a little bit longer to get ready and you just want to turn it off, you have that option of pushing the button to turn it off. But I just wanted to go over that real quick. I use this all the time now, and my kids are constantly asking me to turn the truck on before I get out. It's very easy to program. The program instructions come with it, and there's instructions online all over the place. This says micro cable plug for charging it. It actually just has a battery on the inside. The function button, you actually hold the function button, and then I think you hit like lock and then hold the start button or something, and that's what tells it to program. You hold the button up on this first, you press it once, and then you hold it until these lights blink, and that means it's in pairing mode. And then you hold down the function button until a certain light blinks, and then hit lock and then hold start or something. It's a series, but the directions come with it. I programmed it on my own. I didn't have to take it back to Best Buy to program it, so that's the nice thing about it. I do like that actually when you unlock, when you press the unlock button one time, it unlocks the front door first, the driver's side, and then it unlocks all the other doors. Typically on your stock remote, your factory key fob, you'd actually hit unlock to unlock the driver door, and then you would hit it twice to make it unlock all the other doors. So now hitting unlock one time unlocks all the doors. The kids and wife and everybody are always getting in the truck anyway, so I always end up hitting double unlock. So now I just hit it once. Now I don't have really anything else I have to get used to other than just using it. But I use it all the time. I didn't think I would. I thought maybe it would just be something nice to have when it gets really cold or really hot, but I actually use it all the time, and it's just fall now. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any more questions, just put it in the comment section. I'll put as much information in the comment section about it as I can, even the upgraded key fob that I got and the kit that I got, if you want to have somebody install it. But those are the features that it has, and I really like it a lot. So before you leave, make sure you like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.